Sales Nation, how much time are you wasting each and every day trying to find contact information before you reach out to a potential customer? Because if you're reaching out to one person at a time, it's probably not that big of a deal. You can search for an email in 5, 10, 15 minutes. You've got it. It's verified. You're good to go. But things start to get really tedious when you want to send an email to a subsegment of potential customers. You want to customize this list to industry, job title, and perhaps the basic needs of the customer as well. Well, if you're trying to build this kind of list, you go from tediously looking up one email to wasting half a morning trying to find 10 or 15 of these individuals and their contact details. Now, Sales Nation, no more wasted mornings for you, because the sponsor of this video, Uplead.com, makes finding targeted contact information extremely simple. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works and how you can build a list of targeted potential B2B prospects fast. So Uplead have around 46 million, it's crazy, right? 46 million contacts in their database, all with direct email addresses. And importantly, when you're doing this kind of contact research, they also have built-in email verification as well. And what is cool is that they verify emails in real time to ensure that what you see on their site, which I'm going to show you in a second, is accurate. And chatting with them, they reckon this information is around 97% accurate, which is pretty high in the industry. So let me show you all of this in action and how you can use Uplead to build a targeted list of B2B sales prospects fast. So let's start off. First example, let's say Sam. He's just closed a massive deal selling his software product to a CFO of a medical device company in the USA, right? He knows that the messaging he used to close the deal works, obviously, because the deal got done. And in these COVID times, he knows that he's got a great product that lots of medical device CFOs should want to use. So let's jump into Uplead, and I'll show you how simple all of this really is. Right, so we're just going to go to industry, category. In fact, I'll just search for industry name. We'll try medical, there we go, medical devices, and you see there's tons. I just typed in the word medical, and there's tons of different options for us here. So we could get much more granular if we wanted to. But Sam wants to get into medical devices, so that's that. So I'm going to click done. Next, we're going to go for the title of the individual that we want to be in front of. Job title. So I'll just go CFO. I mean, it's dead simple, right? Obviously, CFOs have different job titles, different job names, but we'll narrow this search down by CFO. And here we're at 537 results already. So this is all of your prospecting that you need to do for the year done in a few clicks if you are in the same situation as Sam. Let's narrow this down even further. Country. Let's go for United States. And this drops us to just under 400 contacts. So now if I wanted to export all of these contracts, clearly I'm not going to send one email to 400 CFOs. I'm going to narrow things down further and further until I've got a list of, say, 5 to 15 individuals that are in the same location, same industry, similar products, and I'm going to customize my emails to that. But say like I want to export all of this, I just highlight that, click download. I can download it to my CRM directly, or I can download it to an Excel file, so I can just import it into wherever I like. Let's look at just one of these accounts, just to give you a little bit more of an insight. This is what we get from Parker Johnson. Very charming picture there, sir. And underneath we can see if we wanted to do more of an account-based approach to get in front of these individuals, you've got all these different people in this one location in Dallas that we could contact as well. So that's how simple it is to grab these individuals' email addresses. So I'm going to click unlock email here. And here we can see the real-time verification of the email, a warning message there. And bam, that is the email address right there. But that's simple. You should not be spending more than 4, 7, 8 seconds to find someone's email address in 2020 in the world that we're living in. So that's Sam selling to CFOs in the medical device market. But let me give you a second example here. And this is more what I do selling ad space for the podcast and training for salesman.org as well. So let's make this somewhat real. So I've done a lot of work with Salesforce in the past, and it's probably time for me to start reaching out to the team over at Salesforce, the marketing people over there, to start pitching them on some new projects for 2021. So let's see how easy it is to uncover the Salesforce marketing team, some of their contact details, so that I can do an account-based approach, so I can start to build more awareness of salesman.org within the Salesforce organization. So I'll go back to the home page here, and we'll get rid of clear all criteria. We'll go back to the beginning here. So we're going to go to company URL, salesforce.com. So this is now giving us 22,000 contacts. Clearly too many people to be emailing all at once. I'm now going to narrow this down by job title. We'll go into marketing. And here we've still got 1,000 people. This is probably still too many people for me to, on my own, as an individual salesperson, to manage, right? There's marketing in all different products, all different segments. So we need to narrow this down further. So management level, we want VP level and C level. C level's pushing it a bit for me, but VP level are definitely people that we can engage with. So that now gives us 96 individuals. So I'm probably not going to export a list of 96 people within Salesforce at this high level and send an email to them. But what I can do here is start to look at how these individuals are related within the account, and I can come up with a few names that I've spoke to in the past. So as I'm scrolling through these names, here we have Lynn. So I actually met Lynn at a conference in San Francisco. So I could unlock her email and get in contact with her. And here we can see, again, more related email addresses and individuals within the account. So this would be a good starting point for me. And again, what did that take? That took 30 seconds, if that, to start to narrow down my search. So there we have it. There are no excuses for not building your super targeted B2B outreach lists super fast using the UpLead platform. And so there we have it. If you want to check out UpLead for yourself, make sure to click the link that's in the description below this video. And why not click one of the videos that are on the screen right now to continue your own sales education.